Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by enabling controls that actually block apps in Safari-linked contexts. First, on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, open screen time immediately and set a secure passcode. This prevents changes later. Once done, enable content and privacy restrictions so you can restrict web access and app usage. Make sure you're using the right Apple ID for family settings if you manage a child's device. Otherwise, changes apply to the current user only. This setup is the gatekeeper for everything that follows. Now you'll change Safari-specific and app limits to stop apps from opening unwanted web content. Navigate to Content Restrictions, then Web Content. Choose Limit Adult Websites or Specific Websites only to block domains. Next, use app limits to restrict the app categories that can access Safari or set 0 minutes for a particular app so it's effectively blocked. If you manage a child, add apps to downtime or set communication limits. These layered controls prevent bypassing via other apps. Finish by testing. Open Safari and any targeted apps to confirm they're blocked or show restricted content. Make sure you lock screen time with your passcode, and if applicable, apply settings via family sharing so other devices follow the same rules. If something still opens, double-check for alternate browsers, delete offending apps, and tighten web content to specific websites only. If passcode issues crop up, reset it through Apple ID recovery. That single troubleshooting move often restores control quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.